Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Today is August 3rd, 2020 again, but I don't know when I'm going to be posting this video, but I am wearing something that my aunt gave to me. I am going to show you what I made. Yes, I am, because I'm so excited to show you this. It's got to do with white and red yarn and a pom-pom maker. Yeah, but anyway, don't you guys love, I hate shopping. I really do hate shopping. I really hate it. Yeah, so my aunt gave me all these used clothes of hers. So look at me, I'm lounging in my loungy. Perfect for, are you ready guys? Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Okay, ready? 1 and a 2 and a 1, 2, 3. Lock. Look at that, guys. Look what I made. Hello. Isn't this amazing? Is it all in frame? Can I get closer? Look, guys. Look what I made. Ah! This is so cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. Okay, so what is it? Okay. This is a YouTube tutorial by Creative Grandma. It just would have shown up on your guys's YouTube thingamajigger like a few days ago. And I made it! I made it. Oh my goodness, I love it, I love it. It's a Secret Santa bag, guys. So ready, 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute. There. Look at that. Okay, so I don't know if I did like the pom-pom sewing on part of it right. Probably not. And what I did was, okay, let me put it here. Okay, so can you see the bag, guys? Can you see the bag? Okay. So, and you have your string, so you put your string through what you crocheted, and then you go like that, so it turns into a bag. And you're saying to me, yeah, but Lisa, what is this all about? Well, okay. I thought I would make it into like a purse. Like, look, guys, look. Can you see it? Okay, so I thought I'd make it into a purse. Okay, so I've done this wrong though. So I'm gonna have to take this off, because all I did, she doesn't do this, but I thought it would look cute as a little purse too, a little purse bag. So I just did a single crochet and then attached it. Well, there's no way in, you know, the word, this is ever going to hold anything. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take this off, this here, and I'll either like put a chain on it or do, you know, like a thicker strap, a thicker crocheted strap, because this ain't holding nothing. But this is so cute. I'm sorry, but it is so cute. Do you guys see my mouth and everything? Am I too close? Are you fogging in? Okay, like, ah! Oh my God. Okay, so, yeah, I will link in the description box below the tutorial, but I'm sure you've all seen it show up. Ah, I love it. So I used like 4-weight yarn. I love this. Paint box. I had paint box in white and I had paint box in red. And then I used my pom-pom maker. right? Remember I ordered that. I think I got this from Wish, maybe? Wish? Yeah. And I used a 5mm hook. And do you see this, guys? You see that texture? Those are like bobble stitches or whatever they're called. This is so fun to make. And I actually think, and I said to Stephen when I was making it, I said, because, okay, can you see the mouth? Do you see the mouth? And then you do the mustache. And then you do the nose. And I was like, I'm too lazy to sew the nose on. I didn't want to sew the nose on. And she goes, no, I'll do it. So I'm glad I did it. Now, her face, she had like a pink or peachy yarn. Well, I didn't have that. This is actually, this part here is Caron Simply Soft. I had in the color beige, like a beige color. And then you take your black yarn and you just make your eyeballs. You just, yeah, so, well, the inside is going to be a mess. I'll show you the inside. Yeah, but like I said, this strap, she doesn't do this strap part of it. But I did, and like I said, I'm going to cut them off and I'm going to redo a thicker strap or something, because that ain't holding nothing. So my insides, well, actually my insides don't look that bad, do they? But the eyeballs might fall off because I just kind of did my eyeballs and then I twisted, excuse me, when I did my eyeball parts, I kind of wrapped my yarn around. I'm just learning, guys, I'm just learning. But I think I did a pretty good job. Yep. I think it is cute as, you know what. So, and I probably, yeah, the pom-pom is a little on the flimsy side, how I attached it. So I'm probably going to cut that off and reattach it better. But anyway, hers, but you've got texture. This is texture. And that's texture. Well, what do you think, guys? And not a bad job. I must say, I didn't do that, wait a minute. I didn't do that bad of a job on the back side. Do you see, like this part here? You see that? I don't think I did that bad of a job at all. So, where am I? Inside or outside? I'm in, okay, I'm right. So yeah, she just has hers that can you see here? Forget this. This does not exist on her tutorial. So there you have it, and then you weave in and out a chain of something, and then wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Look. Oh, forget this. Like I said, forget that. I think he's cute as anything. Is that cute? Mm-hmm. Is that cute, guys? That's cute. That's cute. So you can, here's your gift bag, and you put whatever you want in it. And it doesn't take that long, guys, because, well, I'm not going to give it away, but like it's basically all single crochets, I think. I forget now. But this is cute. So are you proud of me or what? Are you proud of me?
Sure.
I'm proud of myself. So I might want to like bring out these little popcorn stitches. But for my very first one, look. Let me put them on the table here. Yeah, so I thought it'd be good to have it as like a purse, but I'm going to have to redo these guys because that ain't holding anything, like I said. And then you put that together. Oh. What do you think, guys? Can they see?
Yes.
Can they? But this has texture. His beard has texture. Because the way you do it. It has texture, guys. The beard has texture. I'm not telling you anymore. Yay! I'm excited. I love it. I want to make a whole bunch more because I think they're cute. And I like his what I used here. I think the peach, to me, pink and red don't match. So I like the color I used. I love it. Hey, Santa. I think I did good. Okay, bye, guys. Look. Are you looking, guys? Okay, so that's it. That's a wrap. Yeah, I made this on July 31st, 2020. I love it. I'm sorry, I'm bragging. I keep bragging. Okay. Cute? No? Cute? Yes. Bye! Make it, guys. Make it. Tell me. Comment below if you are going to make this bag. Cute as buttons, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Guys, look at my special guest.
Yeah.
Who's with us today?
Rusty.
No, Rusty isn't here. Who's with us today?
Rusty's right there.
Yeah, but who's with us today?
Me.
Who's me?
Steven.
Steven is here with us, guys, because I just finished filming about this, and Steven had some bright ideas. So share with us.
Well, it's good for a Christmas gift bag, but without this handle that she made, it would look good on the mantle, hanging as an ornament. It would look good on the tree. You could fill it with potpourri or Christmas scented stuff and hang it on a garland, or just set it on the table nice and decoratively with some smelly potpourri in it or something, and yeah, you can use it for a lot of things.
So do you
also
really,
a gift bag, of course.
so do you really like this?
Yeah, I do. I really like this.
Yes. I don't know if they can hear you, honey. I mean, you may have to like really
They
yell.
can hear me.
Really?
Yes.
Can you hear him?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think?
I mean,
On a scale of 1 to 10, okay, on a scale of 1 to 10 of everything that I have crocheted, what is this? Like, be honest, because I've made, like, beautiful things before, haven't I?
yeah.
Yes.
7 or 8.
Yeah?
Yeah. For what it is, yeah.
For what it is?
Well, it's not one of your fancy dresses or anything like that, so for what it is, for such a small item, it's very cute. Perfect little Santa.
Aye?
So, lots of things you could use it for.
So you like it?
Yep. I like it a lot.
Okay. So peace out, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas in August. But you know what, guys? You gotta start making stuff now, right?
Yeah.
You gotta be on the ball, right? Hottest balls. Where's my hottest balls?
Don't know.
Ah, where's my hottest balls? Anyway.
Upstairs.
Huh?
Upstairs.
Yeah. So, here, come here. Come here. Come over here, Mom.
I am here.
Oh, hi.
The camera has a big angle on it.
Does it? Okay, I love you.
Love you.
Thanks for joining me today, Steven. It's always a pleasure.
Oh yeah. I'm on camera so often.
Okay, Steven says
Bye.
bye. Okay, I'll let y'all go.
Make some more of these.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Okay, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me, Steven.
You're welcome.